Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'm talking through. Okay. So this one, actually, I was talking to somebody.
Mm-hmm.
They said this one, which you told, no, Shobha, that will be
Shobha House
very
Kote.
costly. They say
Correct.
price exactly. They say should be more, not 13,000. Then how much it will cost? You have any idea?
Yes, ma'am, because that is going to be very tallest building in East Bangalore.
Uh,
So starting with
uh,
13,000 and then there is
uh,
will be a floor rising charge. Correct, ma'am? So once we
uh,
start from going to be top floor, so their floor rising charge will be applicable as well as some PLC. So it will
uh,
go 14,000, 15,000, 16,000 also, ma'am.
for you.
Correct, ma'am. Because if we are planning to go, let's suppose 40th and 15th floor, sorry, 40 or
Uh,
45 floor, so it will comes around, ma'am, 14 to 15,000 also.
No, we don't want 14 to that high, but we will take only 9th or 10th floor. Why should we take
Correct,
very
correct,
high?
correct, ma'am. Means
But I
customers.
have Shobha's given some price on details like writing there will be so much price.
Mm-hmm. No, ma'am.
Have they given
So as of now, they
price
commit
list?
price between 13 to 14 only. So we are quoting
Hmm.
13,000 to our clients, and still
Hmm.
we are receiving non-bankable check with them. Actual price we will
Hmm.
commit after रेरा, because after receiving रेरा we will get the actual price कि कितना price हमारा होने वाला है. After that,
तो रेरा तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा ना,
yes ma'am,
रेरा को तो टाइम लगेगा ना अभी,
रेरा हमारा मैम मार्च में आ जाएगा.
मार्च में आएगा तो तभी पता लगेगा, तो अभी
Correct.
13-14,000 मतलब it can be 15-16,000 also.
Yes ma'am, maybe.
If I go for 4 BHK, it will be too much, no? How much you are collecting? 10 lakhs for all the
In market ma'am we
10
receive
lakhs.
more than for 2 BHK or 3 BHK ma'am.
3 BHK, 4 BHK, how much you are
For
collecting?
2 BHK 10 lakh non-bankable check. For 3 BHK
Uh,
15 lakh non-bankable check. Means at the back side of
okay.
check you can write this is non-bankable or this is for
And
UI
4
purpose.
BHK?
Same 15 lakh
4
only.
BHK?
Same 15 lakh only.
15 lakhs you have to pay.
Correct ma'am.
Okay, but then the rate exactly you don't know
Exactly
how much
ma'am,
it is.
rate
Okay.
this will be committed to the management, and actual price again ma'am, because what floor plan I shared with you, that is also tentative. So actual floor plan you
Uh,
will also get after receiving RERA, and this time we are committing this
okay.
price only, ma'am, 13,000.
13, but they are not given in writing how much
No,
it will
no
be.
writing, no, ma'am, because
Then how
management
are they
will.
giving you that?
Yes, ma'am, because they will also give us exact figure after receiving RERA.
Okay, but
For
expected price, how much they are telling?
between ma'am only 13
All
to 14,
inclusive.
13 to 14, ma'am.
Huh?
13 to
13
14,000,
to 14.
because ma'am in same market other
But
builder are as of now quoting ma'am 10,000. So ma'am 13,000 is also very
uh,
high price. This is not means
oh,
very low price. Correct.
yeah. But that area is very far, then why they charging so much?
Because ma'am that is going to be
Okay.
developing location towards Whitefield.
Uh,
So that's the reason they are quoting quite higher. But we can expect ma'am,
uh,
means this price we can expect ma'am, because if I am quoting you 15,000, we can get 15,000 per square feet in Marathali location near to Ho Farm Junction. So we will
uh,
not get this price ma'am.
it should be less, no?
Correct, correct. So
More than the but it should be lesser than Martali projects, no?
correct, correct ma'am, because it should be lesser.
Or it would be more,
Because on
or it should be
Marathali, I believe you are aware there is one project Century. They are quoting ma'am 16,000.
yeah, yeah.
Century
Okay.
Mirai.
16,000.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So this should be less than that.
Correct, correct ma'am. Obviously.
Mhm.
So ma'am, you are keen for this
Okay.
project, so I suggest you proceed with UI ma'am. Because if you are in
Uh,
that queue, so you will get the initial benefit what all UI customers are
uh,
getting. If you're not in that queue, then it's very difficult to get lesser price, because ma'am,
initial till when we can give you
ma'am,
as soon as possible.
as soon as possible. Correct. If you are
Okay.
available today, ma'am, I will send one executive at your location. He will come at your location explain you the complete project. After that, if you are comfortable, you proceed with AOI. Because as of now, we are not paying single
Oh,
rupees to the builder. Correct, ma'am?
because one of my friend, no, I was discussing with her
Mm-hmm.
about this project. She said, no, it will be come to more than 3 CR if you go for 3 BHK.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I was. I
Okay.
thought anyway. I'll talk to you tomorrow again. I'll
Okay.
discuss at home and I'll get. But
Correct.
this is 13,000 is pakka. More than 13,000 will come. 13
Yes.
to 14. No?
Between 13 to 14, ma'am.
Oh,
Not
okay.
more than this.
So this is rather than Godrej project which is coming non-stop.
Yes, Godrej is coming, ma'am. Godrej is quoting 11,200 as a base price. And
11, that is better to do Godrej or this
ma'am, Godrej is also good option if you are looking for self use.
one.
So that is also good option, ma'am. If I am talking about pricing, so we will get 2 BHK in price of 1.17 CR. Correct, ma'am? So
That's okay. Even they have the plots, no Godrej, Dudballapur.
yes, ma'am. Complete project is sold out, ma'am.
What price? But
They
sold out.
sold out, ma'am. I was in that project last month.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
price will come 4,500 and
Hmm.
complete project is sold out within 3 days because all UI's customers are means booked there. So not any means unit
Oh,
left for other persons.
how how far it is? Dudballapur very far, no that place.
Correct, ma'am. From here, from if I'm talking about
No,
Hebal, that is 47, around 47 kilometer,
47 kilo.
more than 47
Oh,
kilometer.
from Hebba.
Hmm.
47 kilometer from Hebal.
Yes.
From airport. From airport.
From airport,
Close to airport.
again, ma'am, because from Hebal, if we are going, so we are going from Yelahanka location. From airport, that is also around 45 kilometer, Dodballapur.
After airport.
Yes, ma'am.
After airport.
Correct, ma'am. Means
Okay,
distance will be.
then another some any plotted development come, you let me know.
So means
That
I
is
have some
sir.
plotted opportunity, ma'am. I have Serene Meadows. I have Enchanted Habitat. I have Prestige. Lot of options I have, ma'am.
Prestige where you have prestige.
Near to airport only in IVC Road location.
Okay.
Hmm.
Price?
If I'm talking about
Price?
price in Prestige, base price is 9,500. All inclusive will come 10,000 to 11,000 between. Depends on the unit, which unit we are selecting.
Oh, if I take 40, 60 means more than 2 CR it will become.
Correct, ma'am. Means if I'm talking about
Then
1800
Godrej
square
was
feet.
better, no? 4,500.
Correct, ma'am. In Godrej, we are getting plots in 60 lakh only. But here, if
Mm.
we are going for 1800 square feet, we have to pay around 1.9 CR. Means around 2 CR, let's
Oh,
suppose. But we have some options next to Prestige. There is one project, Serene Meadows. That is also very good option. That project is in pre-launch.
who's the builder?
Builder is
But
Bulwark.
who's the builder?
Builder is Bulwark.
Purva.
Yes, a Bulwark, ma'am.
Okay.
So they already
Uh,
delivered three projects in same location. One project name is Northern
oh,
Boulevard. Another is Enchanted
oh,
Habitat. Now they are launching third project in same location in IVC Road location with 13 acre of land parcel. In that, in phase one, we are coming with
oh.
15 acre.
And there are some ready to move villas also. Do you have any ready to move villas?
Ready to move? Not I have, ma'am, but near possession I have Vilament. If
Which
I
one?
Provident Dinsgate.
Provident is that I have seen.
Okay.
That I have seen that. From main road it is so much inside you have to
Yes,
go,
yes,
no, that one.
6 kilometer. Correct, ma'am. 6 kilometer inside.
4 5 kilometer I think.
Yes, ma'am. Because
6
in
kilometer
IVC
from
road
there.
location.
I have visited there.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. I'll talk to you. Somebody's come home. I'll talk to you tomorrow evening.
You okay, ma'am? You
Okay.
let me know if you are keen for that. You share
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Share means
Okay.
soft copy.
Okay.
You can share Aadhaar card, PAN card, and write
No, I've not decided anything. I'm not decided whether because I'm looking for ready to move also. So if this price becomes more, then I don't know. I will let you know tomorrow.
no problem, ma'am. You let me know. You
Okay.
give me a
I'm
call.
looking for ready to move also. If I go for ready to move, then I have to spend so much. Then I don't know whether I can do this.
You are looking for ready to
Okay, I
move.
will.
Okay.
I will tell you
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, no problem,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. चलो भाई, कल मिलते हैं इनसे।